Oh my God. Jesus. Okay, come over here with it. No, no, no. Nope. Calvin, give it to mommy. I'm sorry, but you can't have it on the stairs. You're not supposed to be on the stairs. Come on. Whoa! Bring it in here. Bring it in the kitchen. Bring it in the kitchen. It's okay. Good. Oh, Lord. That's so dangerous, honey. You cannot have it on the stairs.